Um, After that, we will also have a small talk session, followed by the exchange of the MOU. And then we'll also have a photo shoot, which I would just like you to know that the dignitaries will just step down, face towards the dais here, and the photographer will be here, and we'll all be standing there and taking a quick picture. Post that, they will just be going to the booth. That's the quick agenda. There were a lot of changes, so this is just a quick rough note from me. But on the stage? Seriously? Oh. फिर वो कहाँ बैठेंगे? चेयर लगवा देंगे. तो उनको फिर okay. And what is it? श्री जयेश रंजन जी है ना, वैसे कहते हैं उनके पहले होगा. What do you call honorable?
एमएलए ऑनरेबल एमएलए सेलिंगमपल्ली
श्री
ए गांधी.
And then all the esteemed dignitaries.
इनका नाम सही से बोलो, बाकी
Honorable Chief Minister Revanth Reddy Garu, Honorable Minister of IT D. Sridhar Babu Garu, Honorable MLA Seringamballi Arikapudi Gandhi Garu, Jayesh Ranjan ji, and all the other dignitaries. May I please invite Honorable Chief Minister to inaugurate the B4 by lighting the lamp. Followed by the Minister of IT, Shri Sridhar Babuji. Honorable MLA Arikapudi Gandhi Garu. Shri Jayesh Ranjan ji. Welcome, sir. Thank you very much, everyone. May I kindly request you to be seated? Raju, sir, would you be kindly coming inviting?
Good afternoon, everyone. Good to see you all here, and thanks for being patient. I want to just start by saying I'm humbled to welcome our esteemed guests for this important milestone for the expansion of this campus in Microsoft. I'll start by welcoming Honorable Chief Minister Sir Sri A. Revant Reddy Garu, Honorable Minister for Information Technology, Sri D. Sridhar Babu Garu. Also, we are fortunate to have our MLA, A. Gandhiji, thank you, Garu. And also special welcome to a number of police department leaders like Commissioner Sir, Avinash Sir, and IT Secretary Sir, Jayesh Ranjanji. Thank you so much. We have known for like almost 15 years. It's good to see to you for inaugurating this. And then also IT Secretary Bhavesh Mishra ji. I also want to say warm welcome to all the guests from the government of Telangana and police department and of SAP.
Strengthen our startup ecosystem and give access to mentorship, AI tools and global network. I say with pride that Microsoft will establish an AI center of excellence in collaboration with my government. This center will develop cloud-based AI infrastructure, including an AI knowledge hub. I thank the leadership team of Microsoft for their continued trust in Telangana. Your commitment to innovation matches our vision, Telangana Rising. Together, we will script a great success story. Thank you, one and all.
May I request Rajiv ji to kindly share a token of appreciation, a token of gratitude, I'm sorry, on behalf of Microsoft. Yes.
All right, so we specially designed it for him.
Thank you. May I also ask, may I request Sandeep, please
next,
kindly.
So next, basically, we are going to share the MOU signing, announcement of MOU that we have signed. And one of the MOU part is that when Sir creates the AI city, which I'm very impressed with, by the way, and we were just discussing in the green room, like my own experience, 2003, coming to the circular building called IT, whatever it was, Hyderabad. I think now I'll say AI Bad or something like that. So, and that's going to be not very far from here, near airport. And the size is massive, so very inspiring. So that's part of the MOU. So Sandeep and Dinesh, please come over for...
Thank you. Thank you very much. With this, may I also request honorable guests to share a photograph with all our Microsoft employees?
Just so that you don't feel embarrassed, we normally do this with Satya also. So what we do is we go there, everybody stands and the photographer takes it from here. That makes it